Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale, releasing any tension. Allow your breathing to settle into a natural rhythm. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel the weight of your body resting where you are. Notice the sensations in your feet, your hands, and the way your body is supported. You are grounded. Now, gently bring your attention to what you can sense around you. What do you hear? Maybe the sound of this music, the hum of your surroundings, or even silence. Simply observe without judgment. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place. Maybe it's a quiet forest, a sunny beach, or a warm meadow. Feel the ground beneath you. Soft, steady, and supportive. Picture the sunlight gently warming your skin. With each breath, let this image become clearer. You are safe, you are present, and you are exactly where you need to be. In this moment, repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. I am grounded in the present moment. I release all worries about the past and future. I am safe, calm, and at peace. Open to the beauty of this moment. As you affirm these truths, let a sense of calm flow through you. Visualize any tension melting away, replaced with lightness and peace. Let yourself rest in this stillness, knowing that this moment is enough. Take one more deep breath in and let it out slowly. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and if your eyes were closed, softly open them. this sense of presence with you as you move through your day. Thank you for taking this moment to connect